What's going on, guys? Back at it again. Today I'm with my buddy Mike from Real Anxious Fishing.
Yes, sir.
I'll put his little link up in the description, in the bio, whatever. Today we're going out on the old trusty dinghy, going out to the Everglades, one of the most natural Everglades in the state of Florida. Pristine, clean water. Hopefully we're going to get on them big old donkeys today. So like, follow, share, subscribe, please. It would help the channel. We'll see you on the water. All right, guys, we're out here in the Everglades. So what I'm using today is a paddle tail. I don't know if you can see it. Might have to record it in the when the sun comes out a little bit more, but a paddle tail with a 3/0 belly weighted hook. And all we're doing is burning it across all this grass. So let's see if we can get on some big ones today. I think it'd be hitting good on like them top waters because of all these freaking dragonflies right now.
Oh yeah. I haven't seen, really... Oh, there you go.
Tiny little bass.
Hey, yes sir, it's something. There you go.
Yeah.
Got him on.
Nice little Florida bass right here, baby.
That's awesome. Good for you.
Oh yeah.
That's what I'm talking
Look how like gold he is though.
Yeah, he's pretty.
That's cool.
Yeah, let's get
Nah.
What?
Nah.
Yeah,
Dude, he came up and slammed it, dude. Like he was
a big one, right?
yeah.
All right, fish on. Good. We were over here talking, and you know what? I think we worked ourselves in a good spot over here. So let's hope we get some more. That was good, dude. That was awesome. So
I know they're out here.
Yeah.
See, that's the only thing that sucks about like belly hooks is they tear up baits.
Do they?
Oh yeah. I think I need to retire this bait already. Yep.
Not swimming like it needs to.
Nope.
Hello, sawgrass. Good bait to you, sir.
Yep, need to change up baits already.
Look at this monster. We're gonna catch a beast on this thing, son. Let's see what we can get, Mr.
I think they might be out in the grass flats though. I just straight stick it and then either I kind of keep it like almost underwater like that.
Right at the top.
Yeah. Oh. Another one.
Ew, 2-0, baby.
Getting a little bigger.
Yeah, they're getting there, man. They're getting there.
Other nice little bass. Not we're the size we're looking for, but dead.
My other battery won't even charge.
Huh. Probably not. Oh. Oh.
Dude, that was almost 2 right there. So.
I was looking down at this. It is. See, you see how it's like, it has like a little opening here, right?
Yeah.
That's where you catch them, man. Like, you'll run across these little openings and they're just chilling in them little pockets and they just slam it. Ooh. I want to try that Versa braid or whatever it's called. Because that's probably, they say that's like the best braid.
Right.
Especially if you're going heavy. Oh, oh.
Got him on. There you go.
Hey.
That's 3-0. Oh my goodness. What am I doing here? Come on. Oh, oh. Oh.
Another little guy? Yeah. 8 mil. Oh.
8 mil and sponsor. Oh yeah.
Another little guy.
Dude, why are they ripping? Yes, sir. That's what, number 4 for you?
Yeah.
Number 4, and I'm on 1.
Thanks all day though.
Hey man, fish is fish.
Yep. There you go. We got a little, something was trying to attack them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bow scars?
Right on top. See ya?
Man, look at that. Sounds like that snakehead.
So far, like the biggest one of the day, it looks like. Oh yeah.
Light bait in the light. I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, pickerel. Is that pickerel? Yeah, pickerel.
I've never caught one of these.
Really?
Yeah, what is it?
A pickerel.
Yeah, but like, is there a family in it?
Oh yeah.
Wow, check them out. Yes, sir.
Oh, chain pickerel. Oh. Oh yeah. Decent one too.
Yeah? Oh yeah.
Definitely bigger.
Woo. There you go. Definitely got winning on weight right there.
Yeah.
That's nice. You want a picture with him?
Nah. Chunky boy.
Yeah. Look at that.
Dude, it's so funny how they like just straight disappear.
Can you do me a favor, really? Back. Give the warm chance actually.
Oh.
Oh yeah?
Oh. Ah, missed him. Oh, nope.
Well, you got him, yeah. Oh.
Jeez, man.
What's going on with that today, huh?
I don't know.
I mean, numbers is cool, but...
Alright guys, we're back at the boat ramp. I would say we killed it by quantity, but not by quality, that is for sure. About 15, 16 fish, 1 pickerel, 1 bluegill, and a whole bunch of little bass. Our biggest bass is probably about 3 pounds. But man, it's a good day to be out in the water no matter what, just to get out and do some fishing. My buddy Mikey over here from
Real Anxious Fishing?
Real Anxious Fishing, because he's an anxious dude, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But I'll link him in the description and up on the top, whatever. But you know what you got to do. like, follow, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell to see the next video coming up. It should be a banger. So you guys stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one.